Hello, today I'll be showing you how to make your robot hamster follow lines. So what we first want to do is we want to make this code, as you can see here. This will make it so that it follows the line, and whenever it falls a little off the line, it'll align itself back on. So let's try this code on here. So let's say it's like this, okay? And then we run this code. As you can see, it follows the line. So to follow the line, it uses two sensors. Here is the right line sensor, and here's the left line sensor. And what it does is it sends light out from these, and then if there's a lot of light coming back, that means the color that is coming back, that is under it, is most likely white or a brighter color. If there's like maybe 0 to 10 light, that means the color underneath it is most likely black. So those are the line sensors, which use light that is repelled back at it from the colors underneath it. So to do this, we take an if else statement, and we put if line left and line right are less than 30, which means that the light that's coming back from the line sensors is less than 30, then we want both of the wheels to moving at 45. So that means that if we have a big line like this, it will just go straight because both of the sensors are on the black line. But if that's not true, which is the else statement, then we want it to be if we take two if statements. If line left is greater than 30, if line left, which is like this, then we want it to go turn this way and go back in. But if line right is greater than 30, we want it to turn back this way. So this code, okay, let's try this. So we'll run this. If you put it on here, it'll go straight. If you put it here, so you can see it turns in. And then if we go like this, it goes like that. So all this works, and just to make it a little cooler, we're gonna add lights. So here, if LED, okay, so for this one, LED's left 3, so that means that, so like it's telling you that it's turning to the right, and then LED right if it's turning to the left. So let's try this. As you can see, it turned like that, and then when it came back around on this side, the right light went on. So there's one problem with this. If your hamster sensors are both on the white, then what do? We didn't really discuss this problem with the last code. We didn't make a solution for that. So if we show you the last code and it goes like, if it's on both white, then it'll just freak out. But what we want to do is make it so that if it's on the white, we want it to back up. So let's try this code. As you can see, it backed up, back onto the black line. So to do this, what we want to do is we want to say if else and put this all the way around these two blocks. So, and we want in this if else statement, we want to put another and statement with the same thing as this, except like opposite. These opposite, and then we want to say if the wheels, so we want to set the wheel speed to -45 so that it backs up, and the LEDs to both to 3, and a wait command here so that it backs up a little longer. So let's try this on here, on this one. You can see it corrected itself at the very beginning because it sort of fell off. Let's see if this works. Yeah, see, it can turn now, because if we ran the other code, this code, once it got here to the end, what happened would, it would just fall off unless you're really, really lucky. So we don't want that to happen, so we do the backup. But the only thing is that what happens is at the very end, what happens sometimes is that it will like go back and forth. Like it will sometimes go like this, like, and just keep on backing up like that. And to get rid of this problem, what we want to do is we want to make it so that if you know that you're if you know that you want to turn a certain direction, you can just make it turn that direction. So this will make it turn left. So if you know you want to turn left, and this will make it easier. So let's try this. And it makes it easier for that if it makes it easier for the robot to turn the corner if it has this. But the thing is, if it's going the opposite direction, like this, it won't work. It won't work. So that's not good if you don't know which way you're going. So I would advise to stay with this if you know which way you're going. Okay, thank you for watching. That'll be it for today.